Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C71 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on the backup and tap on next. Tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Confirm everything with your screen lock. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. So here let's simply tap on this account, and now we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up. So either photos and videos or other device data, or both. It's totally up to you. I will choose only other device data and tap on manage backup. And here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. Right here we can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now and basically, of course, confirm everything with your screen log. And now we've got this information, which means that our device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.